Welcome back to another video here. It's just me today, alone. I'm gonna be going and doing some smallie fishing. I haven't done too much this year. This is probably my second time going out. And it's a little bit later in the summer, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'll probably be throwing more like Ned rigs, jerk baits, some like square bills. I'm excited. I haven't gotten out on my own for a while. We got it's about 8 in the morning right now, and yeah, hopefully some of them are pretty active. We can get some action. So let's get up there and get casting. Let's go casting. So I was just thinking, if you guys want to see more videos, it'd be nice if you guys like interact, like just comment some stuff, some things we should work on, stuff you'd like to see. It's hard to make videos when not too many people watch them, which it's fun to make them, but we don't have too much time. Jack's at college now, so we won't get as many videos together, but I'm sure we'll get together enough to make a few a year. But if, like I was saying, if you guys interact, like comment and like and just mess around and show that you're there, it'll show up for more people to see, and it'll make it easier because the more views we get, obviously the more we'll be driven to make better videos and longer videos, and we'll see. But it would be sweet to get a nice following so we can do this more often, because I love doing it. So if you like watching the videos, just keep interacting, and yeah, we love it. So just listen to some Whiskey Myers right now, and about halfway up north, so let's go. I'm excited. Some nice, hopefully get a nice 2 or 3 pound smallmouth today, just to get me in the right mood. That's what I'm hoping for. So here we go. Well, it's a pretty windy one out here today. I'm sure you can hear it right now. So I'm gonna try to get in a little cove. I might try a point later. It's actually not too bad. At the boat landing it felt pretty bad, but just a little bit of a chop out there. So I'm gonna probably head out to some sandy, rocky little areas, trial them out first for a little smallmouth. Like I was telling you earlier, I haven't been out too much for smallies this year, but I like fishing everything, so hopefully it turns out pretty fun. Turns out pretty productive. Like I said, there's a rock point that I'll try, a little island, and then there's a little sandy inlet that I'll try as well. So let's get going. I'm excited, I'm ready, and some cloud cover. Looks pretty it's pretty fall-like actually. It's not too warm. It's probably about 65 degrees, maybe a little warmer. When it's been 80s, high 70s for the past couple weeks. So we're gonna get going. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Let's get this moving, as I'd like to say. We made it. Whew. Still pretty windy. I got behind a little island here, but I'm gonna set up the GoPro and we're gonna get casting. Wait. Okay, what are we starting with here? Jerkbait. Which one? This one. Rip and Stop. Rapala Rip and Stop we got here. I forgot the name of the color, but my sister calls it the Green Bay. Here we go. Got one. Got one. First cast. Little rock bass. Smallie. Little smallie first cast. Pretty small. Tiny one, but first cast, I'll take that any day. On the Green Bay. That's what I'm talking about. Got one. Yeah. Yeah. It's a decent one. I mean, bigger than the last one, I'll tell you that one. It's still not very big though. It's still pretty small, guys, but I'll make up for it, I promise. They're getting bigger. That's in like 5 minutes, so. Oh, I just saw that hit. That was sweet. That's 3, guys. They're all tiny, but I'll take this. I will take this. Tiny one. They're aggressive, I'll tell you that. Right now, I just need to toss this in front of a decent sized one. And I bet it'll bite. Maybe I need to get a little deeper, that's the key. This one's kind of tossing me around. I got an old trolling motor. Oh, there's one. There's a little more size. I need to get this net ready just in case I do have a nice one. But this is like probably the same as that second one I caught. Nope, even small. Like I said, I just need to get in front of a decent one. Oh, right into the lake. Guys, 4 in 6 minutes probably? It's a good number. It's a good number. Yeah, these things are fired up with all this wind. Probably don't even need to cut this video. Woo! Woo! That could have been bad. That could have been bad. That was scary. Yeah, I really might have to get behind something bigger. Those big smallies are out in the open though. Or out in the wind, I think. Got one. That's the biggest one yet. I will net that. That's a nice one. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about now. Just smack that thing from the side. My net is pretty crappy. Beautiful smallmouth. I will take that any day of the week. That is a nice one. Nice smallmouth. Whoa. Gonna let her go here. Right into the water. Woohoo! She just gracefully went down just like you like it. Let's keep going. This is what I'm talking about here. So what I'm gonna do here is, right here I'm in a decent spot because the wind's not moving me around a bunch, but in a few minutes, I'm gonna try casting a little Ned rig right now, but in a few minutes I'm gonna head over to a little cove on the other side, protected by the wind, and check my weather app and see, because if the weather dies down, the wind dies down, I'm gonna head back out to this point. But as of now, it's pretty windy and I don't want to get caught in that mess. I'm sure I'd catch a few fish, but I don't know if it's worth it with this wind. I'll get moved everywhere. Right there, see that? I was like, who has their jet ski out here? It's supposed to be over there. And it came off the little boat landing, so I'm gonna do that quick. Well, it's about 10 minutes later and I got the jet ski back to the dock, back to its home. And now we're gonna get back to fishing. Let's go. Wait, say hi to the camera here.
Hello everyone.
Wait, here, go.
Wild video. I would love to be there, but unfortunately I am in college right now, so.
Yep.
That's all I have to say.
You'd rather be here though.
Yep, I would rather be there.
Okay, well, I'm gonna keep fishing and hopefully catch a hog here.
Hopefully. Okay, see you here.
See you, Jack. There you go, a little motivation from Jack Willems, Gator there. Hopefully we can get on some big ones. Not that. We don't want that. I need that extra fast. I don't have an extra fast. When you're running jerk baits and these quick twitches and you want the rod tip to bend more, then you want more of an extra fast action for this kind of fishing style. A lot of minnows here. A lot of bait fish. I'm gonna try the little netty rig. By the way, this boat dock is, I know these people and I just brought their jet ski to their landing, so I don't think they'd mind that much if I'm fishing this. Pretty sure. Pretty calm over here. I'm not sure if they're gonna like that. I don't know what to go with now. It's been so quiet. I'll use the same jerkbait. The Rip Stop. I'll just show you guys this because I've been talking about it a little bit. Just picked it up the other day. I don't know how new it is. Well, it's called the Rip Stop. It's got a little fin at the back there. And it's been working good for me today. That's the only thing I've caught them on. I guess I haven't fished with anything else that much, but you can just give it a couple of boom, boom. And it has a more side to side and less like forward motion. That's the best way to explain it. And it has more barrel rolling. So, now that the talking's done, let's get to casting. Here's a little one. Little baby. Whoa, buddy. Chill. No, not the jackery. Okay. He's everywhere. feisty one. Starting to rain here. I have to put away the big camera and switch to just a 360. I don't care if I get wet. I just care if that camera gets wet. So give the camera a little tarp here. There you guys go. How's that? How's that? Whoa, they are right there. That is scary. I'm making some weird screaming noises. I better move because I don't want to be close to these guys. Sometimes loons scare me, to be honest. I never go at them, but they usually are just, I don't know. I don't cast when they're by me. Risky. They're a ways away now. Gonna resume fishing here. Wait, I didn't even check the wind. Let me check the wind. Yeah, it's staying the same. Shoot. It'll go down 1 or 2 miles an hour, but that's pretty much the same. Come on. Come on. Fish. I need one nice smallie for a good trip. Here's the fish. Not a little bit. Small one, but. Oh, he hooked himself again. Uh-oh. They are pretty vicious though. Like they're bouncing around. Woo! I think this wind kind of hypes them up. There's one. Oh! Fully jumped out of the water. Whoa! That's what I like. That's what I like there. Oh, when he jumped out of the water, he hooked himself bad. Little release here. Let's get him free. Oh yeah, right back down. That's how we like to do it here. Young and wild. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jeez, she is whipping. Tell you what, guys, we need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. You can tell by my hair, it's going everywhere. You can tell by the chop. It's chopping up everything. Woo! That was a decent smallmouth. Wind just whipping everywhere. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I mean, I didn't get too much time to go different places because it's so windy. So it's kind of sticking around a few of the same spots. Had a few decent fish, nothing big, but it was still fun. It was still worth it, I would say. And yeah, it's just the wind kind of made it a struggle for today's journey. But it was fun. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as well as you enjoyed the other ones. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.